I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the green tint issue test on the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. So yes friends, just a couple of hours ago I did receive the software update in this phone, and after the software update there are plenty of good things, like I was able to get the 4G place and the voice changer option has been enabled, but finally I was able to check the green tint issue. So whether the phone has got any kind of green tint issue or not. If the green tint issue is solved, then this update is going to be really magic friends for the iQOO 7 device. So particularly this kind of version, let me try to exactly show you what is the update I have received. As you can see, so this is very small package, but with small package I did get plenty of advantages which I did not even imagine before. Yes, there is, because there is no information about the 4G place and there is no information about voice changes, and there is no information about green tint, but there is small information about screen flickering, as you can see. But let's see in my testing whether the green tint issue is still visible in this phone or not. And in case if you're a user of the iQOO 7 user and if you don't know what is green tint problem, so make sure to check the videos friends. Try to type in the YouTube green tint Guru. You can find all my videos which I uploaded before. That will be helping you to clearly find out whether your unit has got any kind of green tint issue or not. So make sure to check those videos friends. In case if you're interested, just type in the YouTube. So now I'm going to implement same kind of procedure which I implemented 1 month back and couple of days back on this iQOO 7 device, by decreasing the brightness and by decreasing surrounding environment light as well. Then I'll be back. So first thing is to put the phone in the dark mode. To experience this kind of green tint, try to put in the dark mode. So where is the dark mode? Yes, it is a dark mode, as you can see. And second step is to decrease the brightness, slightly decrease to 20%. And third step is to make your room completely dark. Let me try to turn off my studio lights effect. So friends, right now it's completely dark. Let me try to even turn off this phone. So right now you can see this is a complete darkness you are seeing, as you can see. So there's not much light in the surroundings as well. Let me try to slightly increase the bright little bit, but not much, 10%. I'm trying to check on the notification panel. So before I used to see some kind of greenish color on the notification, but now I'm not able to see any kind of greenish color on the notification panel. When I try to increase the brightness, I'm not getting any that kind of brightness issues. Let me try to open the Google Chrome, opening the incognito mode. Let's see in the incognito mode. So right now in the incognito mode, I can see actually the green tint is happening. As you can see in this area, if you notice this area particularly. So I don't think the green tint issue got fixed right now. You will be able to see the green tint, which is how much it's looking, as you can see friends, in the different angles I'm trying to show you. So this only happens when the brightness is slightly less. So right now it's completely zero. As you can see in the zero brightness, you cannot see any green tint. As you can see friends, clearly perfect. But when you try to increase the brightness slightly to 10% or 5%, little bit but not much, now you will be able to see the green tint, as you can see. So usually in the other phones we will not be able to see the green tint in this way. They will exactly display as it is the color. I did plenty of videos as well in terms of comparing the green tint versus other smartphones. So make sure to check those videos in case if you have any other doubts. So overall the green tint problem is not yet solved in this iQOO 7 smartphone, as I can definitely show you right now. Let me try to show you a couple of other examples as well by opening other applications. So let me try to open the YouTube application. Let me try to open YouTube. So in the YouTube application, sometimes I'll be able to see on the top notification panel. So now I'm not seeing any, I'm seeing completely dark. It's not much. So I'm seeing it's completely dark, as you can see. So not much in the YouTube. Let me try to open the before application which I used to test, which is the Screen Test Pro. So it should be somewhere else. Yes, it is a Screen Test Pro application. This is the application which I'll be testing every time to see the green tint problem using the grayscale. So this one, as you can see friends, this is called the green tint issue. So this will be only visible in the low brightness and the low surrounding conditions, completely dark. Only then you will be able to see this kind of completely green, as you can see this one. In other smartphones, in other phones you will be able to see the gray color. In other phones, for example OnePlus or OnePlus devices, you'll be able to see the gray color. So this is a grayscale test which I'm trying to do. There should not be any green, but I can see on the green, as you can see here. So this is a grayscale test. So everything should be in the gray color. As you can see friends, perfect. Let me slightly increase the brightness. If I increase the brightness, you won't be able to see any other color. As you can see, let me try to come from the first. Let's see. As you can see, now you cannot see any green. It's not that green. It's kind of gray color only. When I start to decrease the brightness, then you will be able to see even this part. So this one is perfect example friends. Try to concentrate clearly. You should know exactly friends what is going on. So I'll try to elaborate each and everything, so which is really helpful for a lot of other users. You can see nothing is green at this point. Let me just slightly decrease the brightness to 20 and check out. As you can see, there's nothing much green is going on even in this low brightness. And now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. let's see now. So now little bit kind of green is going on little bit in these two sections, as you can see. So in this, as you can see, in this spot, if you observe, the greenish is going on. It should be this like this, either black or either gray. It should be in two colors, but not in this gray color, as you can see, friends. In other other phones like the Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord, I cannot see this kind of green tint problems. Slightly increase little bit brightness, little bit. So now you will be able to see it much green, as you can see, friends. So much of green is going on clearly. So just for the explanation purpose, I did bring the OnePlus Nord at this point. Now you will be able to compare side by side how the OnePlus Nord is doing and how this phone is doing. So now you will be able to observe in this test, as you can see, friends, clearly how much green is visible in this iQOO 7 device, and OnePlus Nord, it's not much visible, the green color. You can see, friends, the shades how it's going on. Let me try to show you the brightness as well. So brightness, I am trying to use only same kind of brightness levels, as you can see, friends, completely. Let me try to change the dark mode as well. As you can see, friends, right now this phone is also in the dark mode. Now let me try to show the brightness. So brightness is exactly 0, but not, I need to keep little bit kind of 10% to show you that kind of green. So now let's observe again from the beginning. As you can see, friends, clearly the greenish color still is going on in the iQOO 7 device. This is a live proof you got in front of the camera. So screen, as you can see, this is a green. This is the green which I'm trying to talk about, which is not there in the OnePlus. This is how it should be there, friends, like the OnePlus, but that's not the case. This is completely not good in terms of the update. Final conclusion is that unfortunately the green tint problem not yet got fixed in the iQOO 7 device, friends. So that's not a big deal for me, because this is a very rare situation which I'll be using in my device, like using the dark mode and using the very low light environment. So it should not be that much bothering me. But overall, the biggest thing which is bothering me is, for a long time, if you know me, 4G plays. So only that 4G plays is the one which is bothering me a lot. So that is a big problem got fixed. And next, for the gamers, the voice changer also got added. That is another bonus advantage. But another most thing which I need to check is that screen flickering issue. So screen flickering issue, another thing which I need to do big research on this one. So maybe tomorrow I'll try to go outside and I'll try to do. And even the outdoor 4G speed test I need to do, friends. Outdoor, maybe village type 4G place I need to do tomorrow. So make sure to follow this 4G place speed test. You'll get to know more details about those. So just type in the YouTube screen flickering site guru. You can find all my videos which are uploaded only on the screen flickering problems. As you can see, friends, you can clearly see that. So just this update which mentioned the screen flickering problem got fixed. That is the reason I thought of testing maybe tomorrow by going outside, as you can see. So let's see, friends, in the tomorrow testing I'll try to do this kind of test as well. So make sure to follow me regularly. So in case if you have any other queries regarding this kind of iQOO 7 device with the latest update, any problems or anything you want me to do testing, so make sure to comment below. And one more last thing I forgot to check, which is a notification green tint problem from the lock screen. Some people, they're experiencing the lock screen notification green tint problem when you're trying to use. I forgot that one small one to check. Let me be back after turning on all the lights. So right now I'm in the completely dark environment as well before. So this is the green problem which is going on, as you can see, friends, clearly on the notification panel. So when you're trying to access from the lock screen, you can clearly see the difference, how much bad it is. How bad, as you can see, friends, clearly. So green, so much of green is going on, as you can see, friends, on the notification panel, which is not good at all, friends. As you can see, completely with the live proof we got right now, green tint problem. So definitely even in the notification panel also it existed, this kind of problem. Ultimately, as you can clearly see here, even with little bit kind of lighting, you will not be able to see it. With no light, then you will be able to see it. As you can see, friends, clearly. Now you will be able to see it. Now you cannot see it. So friends, this is the final conclusion in this iQOO 7 device. So finally going through all this kind of testing, different multiple tests in the iQOO 7 device, still the green tint problem is there in the iQOO 7 device. It did not get fixed. So maybe with the next software update, I'm not sure when I'll be receiving that kind of update, but hopefully maybe with the next software update, maybe the green tint problem might get fixed in this iQOO 7 device. But at this point, only the 4G plays and voice changes are the two main things which got added and fixed in this phone. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check my links in description in case if you are planning to buy any kind of cases or any accessories. Use my universal link from the Amazon and make sure to buy the links. So definitely, friends, that will be really helpful for me in terms of buying more and more phones. So please use my links to buy any kind of products from the Amazon, please. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye. Not CE.